Oleander, Nerium oleander, care involves providing it with ample sunlight, well-draining soil, and regular watering, especially during the growing season. Pruning is important to maintain shape and encourage flowering, and it's crucial to handle this plant with care due to its toxicity. Oleanders thrive in bright sunlight, requiring at least 4 hours of direct sun per day. They can tolerate partial shade, but full sun promotes better growth and blooming. Water generously throughout the growing season, keeping the soil consistently moist. Reduce watering in the winter when the plant is dormant. Allow the soil to dry out slightly between waterings to prevent root rot. Oleanders prefer well-draining soil. A mix of potting mix, sand, and perlite can help improve drainage. During the growing season, spring and summer, fertilize every 2 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted by half. Prune in late winter or early spring to remove any dead, damaged, or overgrown branches. Deadheading spent flowers can also encourage more blooms. Oleander is extremely poisonous to humans and animals. Wear gloves and protective clothing when handling or pruning the plant, and keep it away from children and pets. Repot every spring, increasing the pot size as needed. If the plant is in a large pot, top dress with fresh potting mix. Common problems. Oleander leaf scorch, spread by insects, can be fatal. There is no cure for this disease.